Hi guys, this is Hub Gaming and I'm now going to teach you how to make a Minecraft server 1.5 for cracked users as well as for the legit users. Okay, first we go to your browser, Google Chrome or whatever you have, and just Google Minecraft. Click on the download and download this one, and the reason why we download this one is so that we can allocate more RAM to your server, so you'll be less laggy for your friends. Alright, so after we have the download, after we have the file, make a new folder called Minecraft Server 1.5, or name it whatever you like, just make sure you remember, and we drag this file in there. Next we make a text file, so right click, new, text document, name it as run for now. The first thing you put down is the location of where your Java is installed. I have a 64-bit version of Windows, so therefore I downloaded the 64-bit version of Java, which is highly recommended, which will make it much less laggy. And to determine which version you have, right click on my computer, properties, and it will tell you under system type what version you have, and I have the 64-bit operating system. So anyway, program files, Java. I downloaded the latest Java. I'll put the download link below in the description. And Java 7 is the latest. The next part is the memory allocation. So this part, it will be dashed, capital X, make sure that's capital X because that's important, MS. So capital X MS. And this is the minimum amount of RAM you would like to allocate to your server. And we allocate, let's say, 2 gigs. So that's 2048 megabytes M. Alternatively, you can put it as XMS 2G, 2 gigs. Right, the next part is XMX, which is the maximum amount of RAM you allocate. And we want this to be the same as your minimum, otherwise it might fluctuate between the two. So let's put that as 2G. Next command, -jar. This is a jar file. The Minecraft server is a jar file, which is, and then we put the name of the jar file, which is Minecraft _server dot jar. And there we go. And these are your commands for your server. Save. And now we rename this to run.bat, which is a batch file. Batch full of commands. Right. Now we double click. There we go. It's running the server. Okay, and to gracefully stop your Minecraft server, you just type stop. And this will prevent any crashes to your world, any accidental errors. It's always advisable to stop the server in that fashion. So now we go to server properties. And to open the server properties, you open with Notepad or something similar. So we go and open with, and I already opened up with Notepad, and if you haven't done it before, it's in here somewhere. So Notepad, OK, and these will be your Minecraft settings. If you don't know what these mean, which each setting means, I made another video explaining what each one does. Right, this is the important bit, online mode. Online mode is simply a setting which checks connecting players against the Minecraft's account database. So if this is false, the server won't check the players against the Minecraft account database. So let's set this to false, as cracked users do not have a Minecraft account. So we set this to false. Oh, and to prevent hackers with fake accounts, although this shouldn't be able to connect if you didn't give them your IP, but just to be extra sure if they somehow get your IP, I would recommend putting your whitelist to true. What this does is you whitelist or make a list of people that can only connect to your server. So you control save. Okay, and we go to this whitelist here, the whitelist file, and put all the names, all the account names we would like to appear on our server. So only these people is allowed to connect to our server. For example, Duck Pancakes and Chazmaster. Right, control save. And this is it, and that's it. And every time you want to run the server, double click run.bat. And here you can see that we allocated 2 gigs of memory. So there's 97% free, and we're using 90 meg of memory. Cheers for listening, guys, and hope this helps. Please